Hello friends, I am Ram Lalwani. Welcome to the fourth video of Wednesday Wisdom. Today's video is going to deal with planning. We are going to see how to make an action plan in 5 simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step is to decide your goal or target. We must have a goal in our life. Without it, life is meaningless. A goal is not something what we want to be in our life. Rather, it is a thing that we want to do in our life, and you want to be in your life is your role. So here you can note the difference between the role and the goal. Your goal must always be what to do in the life instead of what to be in the life. For example, if you want to be a doctor, that's your role. But if you want to treat the poor free of cost by being doctor, that's your goal. I am going to make further videos on how to find a life goal. You can subscribe to our channel to get updated. Once you decided your goal, second thing you have to do is to make a list of all the works to be done to achieve the decided goal. After making random works list, arrange them in the sequence according to which first task comes first, and by completing these series of tasks, your last task should lead to the completion of your goal. It is just as simple as the to-do list that we make it on the daily basis to complete our day-to-day work. For example, if you want to open a school, you can make list of tasks like this. First, land selection. Second, legal formalities. Third, infrastructure cost. Fourth, promotional cost. Fifth, requirement of teachers, etc. etc. After making task list, we have to decide the deadline of the particular task. Deadline is the time frame till that our decided task should be done. While giving deadline, add some buffer time to ensure that if some problems come, you could have some more time to complete that work on time. This helps in boosting your self-confidence. Taking above same example, if you have decided to open the school till 1st March 2021, add 1 month as buffer to ensure the completion of goal on time. Adding buffer doesn't mean to be lazy in completing the work. After deciding the deadline, start doing your work, but follow 20-80 rule, which means 20% time for reassessing your planning and 80% time to your task. But here, planning doesn't stop. While making any plans, we also have to consider that life is unpredictable, which means without giving us invitation, any problem or obstacle may come. So we also have to prepare for that. So we must always have plans B and C as alternative plans to your plan A. C. Changing goal while facing difficulties is not intelligence. Intelligence is to make some changes in the plan to achieve the decided goal. Always remember it. Also, while planning, you should have clarity of your path. This clarity comes by doing research about your goal and by spending some time on your pre-decided plan on daily basis. And the last step is to never ever give up your goal, your target or your mission. Life is full of challenges. These challenges are not to break us, but to uplift us. Start seeing these challenges as opportunities if you want to achieve a desired target. Before ending the video, here you can see the steps in summarized way. And my dear friend, always remember, a goal without a plan is just a dream. Thank you.